Yeah. Give this to AJ.
Thanks.
All right, good morning guys. We are on day 4, the morning of day 4. It is not too bad out. It was raining a little bit this morning, but that's fine. Helped everybody kind of get motivated to pack up really fast because we didn't want all of our stuff to get soaked. And it's nice. Yesterday it was super dusty, so this little bit of rain on the road really helps out. It's nice and cool this morning. Hopefully it stays. The rain keeps the heat away a little bit more. We have a pretty easy drive today. 144 miles till we get to camp. 107 out to town, where we'll get gas. A little bit of light trails between now and then, but it's not going to be too bad. We'll see what we can get into. What we got going on up here?
Manpower down there?
We got a beaver dam and we got some fallen trees, so we're gonna go take a look and see if we can't make it across still. I hope we can.
Jason, do you need tools or manpower?
Maybe.
A bit of a tree. We're gonna find out right now.
Oh my god, Darren, get down here.
Holy frogs, dude. Trying not to step on any, but
Oh, you can possibly do that.
look at that. Oh, there's so many. Getting gas, finally fueling back up. How do you say that?
Dépanneur-Lance.
Dépanneur-Lance, Lance's Convenience. Un peu de tout, a little bit of everything. And un peu de tout. Close.
Bon.
Bon.
We did it. We made it.
Swisha! All right, we are all gassed up. Let's see. Look at there. Oh, over there. Full. That's not right. We got about what? 40 miles into camp?
40 miles to camp.
40 miles to camp.
40 miles.
40 miles.
Look what we're parking on.
The berries.
The berries.
Are they good?
Nectar of the gods.
The bloobs.
Lubes.
Nice. All set up.
We're going to be set up perfectly, buddy. With our secondary destination, which is better than the primary, and an adventure at that, and a great day. Best trail ever,
Oh, yeah.
honestly. That was the best trail ever. So much fun.
Success. That's what today was.
Today was successful
And dusty.
and dusty. It was very dusty.
Shout out Essie Knives.
Make us a custom one.
Yeah. Shoot us a message. We want knives with our names on them. Best state ever.
I don't know about that.
Best country ever.
Best. Hold on, it's undercover though.
Ah.
Don't tell. Don't tell anyone. Best company ever.
Matt coming in clutch. Actually, he's not because he's not making it for us. But coming in clutch for himself with the bagel pizzas.
Bagel pizzas, pepperoni. It just occurred to me when I unpacked this, I could have really gone crazy and gotten something other than a plain bagel.
Making everything bagel.
Yeah, everything. We have French toast bagel.
Ooh.
Surprisingly, a one dish meal. Well, one pot and one spoon.
It's the best kind. Minimal cleanup.
Right, that's how I pick my meals. How many dishes it's gonna take. Some mozzarella. The money shot.
Money shot.
Since 18? 4 years?
Oh my God, he's alive. Oh wait a minute.
Good morning, Darren. Merci. How are you? Come look. Come hither.
Breakfast of champions.
Nice.
Don't bring
Fresh
that back unless you
blueberries
vegan it.
Yep, I'm 19 now.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, I'm sleeping in.
Sleeping in. And this is the famous birthday breakfast sandwich.
Yep. It's like
It's not on a hard roll. But
When you do the
it's
hard
on
roll,
a roll.
when you do the hard roll, do you grill it?
Mm-hmm.
That's the way.
Seem to have a little bit of tree coming through my window. A little decoration. Let's see. It's a bit dusty. Not too bad. Not too bad. And this cooler's holding up pretty decent. I didn't pack much. And froze water bottles. You can still see most of them are still pretty frozen. And that was my ice. And that's all I packed. Waters. Waters, a couple small sodas, one White Claw, Melinda O. So we are currently at a spot that we thought was passable, but it's not very passable.
Trevor,
It's
once I get through, we'll double up, and when a truck gets halfway, we'll start the next truck. Yes, sir.
It is extremely washed out, so we are taking a cut around. We are taking a cut around, and
Go ahead and start the next truck, and I'll meet you halfway. Yes, sir.
as you can see, it's not very easy. Okay, so we are currently at a spot that we thought we were going to be able to drive through, but it is extremely washed out. And the ground just gave out. The ground just gave out. So my truck just sunk in.
Alright, hang out there for a second.
Yep.
Probably gonna-
So it's it just collapsed on the right side on me. Nice. Yeah, Michael. You're what? Okay.
That tree is a little bit sketchy, so AJ's gonna stay in there and watch that tree. If it moves at all, we're gonna stop the operation and readjust.
So right up north then, all from the front to the right, on the back.
Yep.
Darren, how waterproof is this camera?
I'm gonna take it back.
Okay.
Are you engaged on the winch?
No.
Okay. Get that engaged, make sure that it's...
Good job, Darren.
Darren, when you do come out of here, that whole bank over there has no drop, so keep it in the weeds as far as you can possibly keep it in the weeds. Got like maybe 9 inches of drop over there before it's flat again, so.
Alright, we're gonna start pulling here in a second. Andy, nothing from you. You're just literally an anchor point, so just hang tight right there. Darren, hardly any throttle. Much more winching power to get the wheel to just turn the boat
No. Maybe. Do one drop down in next to the rock so they can see how deep it is.
Okay, hold up right there, hold up. Yep, nice and slow. Hold up right there, now turn your passengers a little bit. Right there. Keep coming. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, hold up right there. Alright, so you're gonna keep coming on that exact line. Okay, a little bit. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, up and down, average, you're good. There we go.
Must be nice. Alright, so we got through that washout. It was a little sketchy, all on me, all on my fault. I was a little too close to the edge compared to where I should have been. But we got through it, winched out. We used my winch to pull from the front, and the vehicle behind me hooked up to my rear bumper as an anchor point. And now we're driving out of the trail and making our way back to Nakartok for the night, where we will camp again for the final night. That was our first stop for the day, or for the trip. And yeah, so we're gonna head there for the final night. This is day 5. Tomorrow will be day 6, and we'll be done. It's been a long few days, but I know we're all gonna be pretty sad to head out. It's been a great trip so far. Decent weather, a little hot, a little rainy here and there, but not too bad. So yeah, we'll get out of this. We'll get out of this bit of trail off these back roads, and we will hit the main road back out to Nakartok.
So we are here at the Brewworks Hoffman Beer Hall. We stopped in today, a little bit of an unscheduled visit. They aren't actually open right now, but when we showed up, they were gracious enough to open up for us and serve us a couple beers before we head back to camp. And we're gonna hang out here for a little bit. We're waiting out some hail and having a good time. So thanks for having us. Thanks to Brewworks Hoffman, and we'll see you a little later in the day.
That's right, that's Charlie's nickname. Order runner.
Cheers on the ice cream.
Ice cream sandwiches for the birthday boy.
For the birthday boy.
So, happy birthday, you guys suck.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. This is a birthday, dear Nick. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
That was terrible.
Little pasta action.
Little spaghetti with some approximately 52 meatballs.
Approximately.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so good. I am so excited for this.
Scoop.
Ready for that? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the stuff right there. By Camp Chef Darren.
We're about as
What is
far down
this?
as
We're getting
Hartford,
together a spaghetti
just
and
about
meatball
45
sandwich.
minutes to the west.
Currently the meatball's on this side, so that's how it's gonna go. Let's see what happens.
So like my drive home tomorrow, once we cross the border, is just 91 all the way down
Solid.
to Hartford, and then turn right.
84.
Also with the heel, so that adds extra protein or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Nutrients. It's nutrient rich.
The first thing they do is they go over
So good morning, everybody. Good morning for us. Who knows what time it is for you watching this, but it is Wednesday the 13th. It's our final day here, the morning of day 6. We're packing up, we're tearing down camp for the last time. It's a bittersweet moment. I really don't want all of this to end, but at the same time, I'm ready for a shower.
I think we're all ready to go home, and we're all ready to stay here for another week.
Yeah.
at the same time.
It's been good. I mean, we got out there. We got really out there at some point. 250, 260 miles between gas ups.
Yep.
So it was nice. It's a great group of people. Great sights to see. Some good wheeling. Some good accidental wheeling or recovery situations. But you know, that's all part of the game. It's all part of the fun. So yeah, we will finish packing up, say our final goodbyes to Canada as we roll out back to the States, and everybody goes their respective ways from there. But Mason, do you have any final words for Swisha Loop?
It's been an adventure, and we can't wait to do it again.
We are fixing this catastrophic mess that ended up happening at the beginning of the trip. Let me drink that.
Bud Light.
Chug. Can you get anywhere? Chug.
My lettuce, just in case I got hungry on the trip.
Nice.
Yeah. I don't know where it's from though.
Morning, crew. How are you? We got eggs, anybody? Bacon? Sausage?